Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you like fishing from a moving boat, then spinning and bait casting reels don't always match your desires. Jigging reels are one of the most convenient in this case. Jigging means dragging a fishing line standing on a moving boat, thus covering a large area of water. To know more about which jigging reel to buy, check out our guide video on the 8 best jigging reels that are available right now.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 8. Fiblink Jigging Reel. If you are looking for the best jigging reel, then look at this Fiblink jigging reel. It is one of the best jigging reels on the market. This reel comes with a superior max drag system that offers incredible stopping power up to 44 pounds to handle the big fish you are after. This Fiblink jigging reel is constructed of an aluminum structure. The surface of the body has been treated by oxidation and grinding up to 6 times to make it smooth and corrosion resistant. It features 8 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 stainless steel roller bearing, proves a smooth operation, retrieve performance, and corrosion resistance. The jigging reel is crafted with a high-density EVA ergonomic knob, which provides a superior grip while not adding too much weight. The fishing trolling reel comes in a convenient all-purpose 5.2:1 gear ratio. This fishing reel offers high-performance premium features at an unbeatable value. Number 7. Maxel Jigging Reel. The Maxel Jigging Reel is the future of star drag reels. It is getting lighter and more powerful, and this reel hits on both notes. It is constructed of aluminum and weighs just 13 ounces, while delivering 28-pound fish stopping power with its top-of-the-line carbon drag system. This Maxel jigging reel's most striking feature is its thumb bar design that allows you to easily engage the reel. It is not something you normally see on this powerful reel, and anglers love thumb bars. It also comes with stainless steel gears, 7 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, and a clutch bearing instant anti-reverse. This reel is corrosion resistant and won't fail under pressure. Its 5:1 gear ratio combined with the torque it generates will allow you to reel in big fish. It's also a great jigging reel. If you are in the market for a jigging reel and want a reel that you can hand down to your kids after a generation of use, this is it.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Saion Jigging Reel. Next to great fishing, nothing is more important than a good jigging reel. At Saion, you'll find a good jigging reel for practically every style of fishing, all manufactured to the highest quality standards. Whether you're looking for a simple jigging reel, Saion Jigging Reel is your answer. This Saion Jigging Reel is constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It features a 4.5:1 gear ratio and 7+1 ball bearings. It comes with a 20-pound line capacity. It also has a 25 kilograms lever drag system. It also comes with superior drag technology for exceptionally smooth, strong, and reliable drag. This reel includes an ergonomics handle knob, everything is in the palm of your hand, a CNC machine-cut aircraft aluminum frame, and a spool. This perfect drag system utilizes the best aircraft brake material. It covers most sea monsters fishing. Number 5. Katuysha Jigging Reel. Would you like to make your fishing trip simpler and easier with an advanced jigging reel? At that point, Katuysha Jigging Reel is the best guide for you. The jigging reel from Katuysha offers superior components and materials that far exceed the competition. The main body and cover are locked with a SUS 304 stainless steel thick screw and Teflon paste. It has a thick screw that is extra stronger, and the Teflon paste can prevent the looseness. It comes with a large line capacity. This reel offers a brake system that is powerful and durable. The brake adjustment button is a sound structure which improves the adjustment precision and the sense of a passage. This reel offers a stainless steel rivet and CNC machined aluminum handle. It is strong, lightweight, smooth, strong, and high-powered. It is also perfect for saltwater ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir pond, stream, etc. Number 4. Proberos Jigging Reel. The ultimate piece of equipment and the best choice for anglers and avid fishermen alike, the Proberos Jigging Reel boasts improved performance, great versatility, as well as unmatched reliability to help you bring in that catch of a lifetime. Proberos was able to develop specialty reels enhanced specifically for jigging. This Proberos Jigging Reel comes with a one-hand manipulation drag setting. It is precision CNC machined from a solid block of aircraft-grade aluminum. It also comes with superior drag technology for exceptionally smooth, strong, and reliable drag. This reel features 8 stainless steel ball bearing, 1 stainless steel anti-reverse bearing, and 2 docking gears designs. The gear ratio of 5.7:1 for optimized gear rotation and torque. The reel is equipped with an EVA handle and ergonomic CNC aluminum cranking T-bar. It has a dual docking design to minimize pressure on the main gear and bearing for superior longevity. It is also equipped with optimized gear ratios for torque and speed combined with smooth and strong drag. It gives you the advantage to easily bring in your next monster fish. Number 3. Sougayilang Jigging Reel. Do you need the best jigging reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best jigging reel sitting tight for you. The Sougayilang Jigging Reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This Sougayilang Jigging Reel comes with a lightweight corrosion-resistant frame and side plates. It features a multi-disc and carbonite drag system. It has 6 BB plus 1 RB stainless steel ball bearings and a quickset anti-reverse roller bearing. This reel also comes with an aluminum handle arm with ergo grip handle knobs. One of the absolute best things about this trolling reel is the fact that it fits so comfortably in your hand, which is great for anglers who plan on staying out on the water for a long time. It is also a very smooth drag, which is one of the more important things to consider when shopping for a fishing reel of any kind. The anti-reverse roller bearings work very well, and the overall build is exceptionally solid. If you want a durable reel, this is the one for you.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Gomexus Jigging Reel. Are you searching for the best jigging reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best jigging reel sitting tight for you. The Gomexus Jigging Reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This jigging reel makes certain to carry a grin to your face. The Gomexus Jigging Reel comes with preset lever drag. It features an accurate drag setting, shielded and treated stainless steel ball bearings, which allows for super smooth operation, marine-level anti-corrosive components that allow for years of use. This reel offers 9 BB plus 2 RB bearings that ensure silk smooth performance for high gear, a marine-level stainless steel gearbox with high precision, and a mirror surface. This jigging reel features a high line capacity of over 300 yards of 30-pound great for saltwater fishing, big water, or big fish. It is a perfect fishing jigging reel for striped bass, redfish, snappers, flounder, and other saltwater species.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. One-Base Jigging Reel. This one-base jigging reel comes with a superior carbon fiber drag system. It offers up to 45 pounds of smooth drag. It lines out a clicker alarm, easy access thumb bar spool release, and the classic look you would expect of around one-base jigging reel. The one-base jigging reel uses a multi-disc carbonite drag system that has proven time and time again. It gives you consistent stopping power with smoothness and durability. Its use of 14 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 stainless steel roller bearing prove a smooth retrieve and will withstand saltwater fishing conditions for years. This reel includes an ergonomics handle knob, everything is in the palm of your hand, a CNC machine-cut aircraft aluminum frame, and a spool. This perfect drag system utilizes the best aircraft brake material. It covers most sea monsters fishing. Here is a list of the top 8 jigging reel in the market selected for you. Hope you found what you needed. Stay tuned with us to get the next update.